Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious red wine sangria at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 standard bottle of dry red wine, like a Garnacha or Merlot, which provides a fantastic base. Next, select a vibrant assortment of fresh fruits, such as oranges, apples, and berries. Don't forget a sweetener. About 1/2 cup of granulated sugar works perfectly. Finally, for an extra layer of flavor, include 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the fruit. Begin by thoroughly washing all your chosen fruits to ensure they are clean. Take 1 orange and 1 apple, then carefully slice them into thin, elegant half-moon shapes. These slices will infuse the sangria with their wonderful flavors. You might also want to add about 1 cup of fresh berries, such as strawberries or raspberries, for extra color and sweetness. Preparing your fruit properly is key. With your fruit prepared, it's time to combine everything. In a large pitcher, gently mix the sliced fruits with the entire bottle of red wine. Next, add about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved into the wine. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur to enhance the complexity. Finally, refrigerate your sangria for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Your delicious red wine sangria is now ready to be enjoyed. When serving, fill large wine glasses with ice cubes, then pour the chilled sangria over the ice. For an appealing presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh orange slice or a few vibrant berries. If you prefer a lighter, sparkling drink, add a small splash of club soda just before serving. This homemade sangria is perfect for sharing with friends at any festive occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.